Welcome to Linkclassroom. This video is to demonstrate the quick actions that can be taken after creating a classroom as a teacher on Linkclassroom. Log into Linkclassroom and click on the class tile to reveal a pop-up menu with various options that facilitate the setup process. Click on Make Announcements to the class to effectively communicate important information or a welcoming message to your students. The Build Curriculum option enables you to prepare course content by allowing you to upload videos, study materials, quizzes, and more, even before the class begins. This way, you can get ready in advance and ensure that everything is set up for your students' learning experience. Using Manage Participants option, you can easily add or remove students and co-teachers, if any. This feature allows you to have greater control over the class participants. The Manage Your Calendar option is a useful tool for keeping track of all your scheduled classes. You can add new classes and view all your scheduled classes. Beside classes, you can also add, modify, and delete reminders as needed. This feature is designed to help you stay organized and manage your classes more effectively. Post Assignments and Quizzes option helps to create quizzes and assignments that can be shared with your students. This enables you to evaluate students' understanding and measuring progress. The Edit Class Details option allows you to modify the essential elements of your class, such as its title, description, and class code. This feature provides a way to update and manage the class information. You can also access these by clicking on Quick Action button here. Happy teaching!